여러분 안녕하세요. Hi guys, good evening. Basic grammar tayo. 예요입니다. 예요입니다 comes from the verb ida, and the meaning in English is are, which is attached to a noun. Yeyo is the polite form, and emnida is the formal form. When noun ends with a vowel, yeyo is added. When a noun ends with a consonant, yeyo is added. Okay? For example, sagwa ida, or sagwa yeyo, it is an apple. Okay? For example, haksing ida, or haksing yeyo, I am a student. Okay? It is a polite form, and the formal form is imnida. Replace lang natin yung yeyo ng imnida. For example, sagwa imnida, it is an apple. Okay? For example, haksing imnida, I am a student. Okay? You can use this when asking a question or answering to a questions. Magagamit nyo ito sa pagtatanong or pag nagsasagot kayo. For example, when you're asking a question, for example, sagwa yeyo, it is an apple. Okay? For example, haksing yeyo, you are students. Okay? Take note that imnika is the question form of imnida. For example, sagwa imnika, it is an apple. For example, haksing imnika, you are students. So, ganun lang. Sana nakuha mo.